Introduction and background. The Philippine economic landscape. The Philippines has established itself as one of the most dynamic economies in Southeast Asia, experiencing consistent growth in recent years. The country has moved beyond its agricultural roots and now boasts a diverse economy with strong performance in electronics, automotive, food manufacturing, business process outsourcing, and real estate. This growth is fueled by a young and educated workforce, a growing middle class, and substantial foreign remittances. The importance of trade, fiscal policies, and exchange rates. These elements play a crucial role in shaping the Philippine economy. International trades open up access to global markets, promoting exports and domestic production. Fiscal policies, including government spending and taxation, influence overall economic activity. Exchange rate fluctuations in turn impact the cost of imports and exports, influencing competitiveness in global markets. Analysis and economic theories. Trade trends. This the case study reveal key insight about Philippine trade. Trade policies. The Philippines employs a mix of tariff, non-tariff barriers like license and permit, and trade agreement to regulate its trade. Tariff rates are generally higher for agricultural products, while non-tariff barriers often apply to goods requiring specific import requirements. Trade agreement. The Philippines actively participate in regional and global trade agreements such as the ASEAN Free Trade Area and the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, fostering economic integration and promoting free trade. Key trading partners. Hong Kong stands out as a significant trading partner, ranking as fourth largest trading partner of Philippines globally. This relationship is critical for Philippine export. Philippine investment trends. Investment incentive. The Board of Investment and the Philippine Economic Zone Authority are vital in attracting foreign direct investment through incentive like tax, holiday taxes credit, and duty waivers specifically targeting sectors like manufacturing, agriculture, and service. Foreign investment restriction. The Philippines maintains a list of sectors with restriction on foreign ownership, although recent updates have eased restriction in some sectors. Impact of the government policy. Fiscal policy. The Philippine government utilizes fiscal policy to stimulate growth. A key strategy is to increase infrastructure spending aiming to boost aggregate demand and drive economic growth. Monetary policy. The central bank active manage the money supply and interest rate to control inflation and mitigate exchange rate fluctuation. Economic theories applied. Keynesian economic. This theory emphasizes the role of government spending in stimulating economic activity, particularly during period of economic slowdown. The Philippines focus on infrastructure spending aligned with this principle. Exchange rate theories. Different theories explain exchange rate fluctuation, for instance, the purchasing power parity. Theory suggests that exchange rate adjusts to reflect price difference between countries. The Philippine exchange rate variation influence export competitiveness and the cost of imports. Economic growth. Models economic growth models such as Solomon models highlight factors like technological progress, capital occupation, and labor force expansion as vital for economic growth. The Philippine ongoing industrialization and investment in education are in line with these factors. Conclusion. The Philippine economy is experiencing robust growth, driven by its diverse sectors, skilled workforce, and increasing foreign investments. However, challenges persist due to tariff barriers and complex import regulation. Streamlining import procedure, simplifying import procedure
would reduce business costs, encouraging increased trade and investment, supporting local production, developing domestic industries, and providing greater support for local providers would generate employment and stimulate economic activity. Investing in human capital. Continuing to invest in education and skills development will enhance the Philippines' competitiveness and prepare in workforce for future economic opportunities.